40 commands we need to execute, right? Do you have any disturbance? Oh, पीछे है switch शायद पीछे, right? So clear, guys. So how you are going to execute the commands? How you are going to execute the commands? Manually, you are going to execute the commands. So instead of executing the commands manually, I think we'll have the control outside. Okay, so let's see, guys, here. Guys, give me 1 minute. Right. So now I'm trying to executing 20 commands, guys. So manually we need to execute the 20 commands, in the sense it will take some time. So because of that reason, what we are going to do in the sense, those all the 20 commands I'm going to keep into the one file. The terminal, it will take the input individually with the help of user account, or otherwise the terminal, it will take the input from file also. So the terminal, it is taking the input from file, in the sense that is script file. I hope you got it. So what is a script file? We are trying to executing all the commands, all bash commands at a time. We are reducing our work. See, you need to execute 20 commands, in the sense manually you need to type how much time it will take. So those all the 20 commands I'm going to keep into the one file. The file I'm going to execute, those all the 20 commands, it will be executed at a time. I hope you got it, guys. We are reducing the work with the help of the script files. The terminal, operating system, it will take the input through file, that is called script file. Okay. Okay, guys. So by default, our operating system, how many scripts it will support? By default, our operating system, how many scripts it will support? Now we'll see, right? So let's see, guys, here. Cat etc shells. etc shells is a one file. It contains all the shell environments. So now how many type of scripts, shell scripts we can able to write? So we can able to get from the etc shell file. So cat is a command, it will print the file content, right, guys? So cat is a command, it will print the file content. So bin bash. So bin bash by default, it will support, guys, because in RHEL 7.0 as well as in 8.0, by default shell is a bash shell. Apart from bash, it will support sh also, right, guys? Sh full form born shell, so bash full form born again shell. So bash is a successor of sh, right? Okay, next tcsh also it will support, and csh also it will support. We can able to write the tcsh script file and csh script files also in our RHEL 7.0. Clear, guys? I hope you got it. So shells is a one file, it contains all the shell types. So kuch full form hai yaar, tch means let's check into the Google. C shell only, right? So C shell with file name, completion, and then command line editor. Okay, so clear, guys? Like as a C shell. Clear? Got it, guys? Now how we need to write the script? So what type of principles we need to follow to write the script? How we need to execute the script? We'll see now. Clear, guys? So what is a script file? Well, we are going to keep the multiple commands into that particular file. All the commands we are going to execute at a time, that is called script file. So what we learn the commands in our class from the day 1 to till the date, those all the commands you can keep according to your requirement. So if you want, you can write anything inside any command inside the file, then you can execute. Right. So let's see here how we need to write VIM. Now I'm trying to providing one file name. So for example, any name you can give, guys. So VIM my file .sh. So .sh, it's not a mandatory, guys. It's the optional. If you want, you can give, or otherwise you can leave it. But why I am providing .sh? So we are using VIM editor, right? The VIM editor, so it is going to consider the type of the file. So if you're providing the .sh, if you're doing any typo mistakes inside your file, easily we can able to find out. If you didn't provide the .sh extension, right, what will happen in the sense, it will consider as a one text file while you're trying to writing the script inside the file. So it's a bit difficult to us to find out the typo mistakes. Because of that reason, we are providing the extension called .sh, but it's not mandatory. So it's not like this. We need to provide the .sh extension. It's a mandatory to for script files. So doesn't need. So why I am providing, it will consider as a script file. Easily we can able to find out the typo mistakes if you're providing the extension. Clear? Right. Then hit enter. Then hit enter. So inside this file, this is an empty file. So my script file name is myfile.sh. Myfile.sh. How we need to start the script? Right. So we need to use one symbol called SHA-BANG. SHA-BANG, SHE-BANG, SHARP-BANG, BANG. Right, guys? You can say SHA-BANG. वो ठीक रहेगा. Right? So SHA, 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 BANG, bang. SHA-BANG, SHARP-BANG, SHE-BANG, whatever if you want you can call. Hash, exclamatory mark, you need to call the symbol SHA-BANG. With the help of the SHA-BANG, we are going to start the script. We are going to define the script type here. Right, guys? So what type of script we are writing now? Bash scripting we are writing, right? So now /bin bash. I hope you got it, guys. SHA-BANG bin bash. So you need to write CSH script. SHA-BANG bin bash /CSH. So you need to write SH. SHA-BANG bin bash SH. We are defining the type of the script now here. I hope you're clear, guys. So what type of script we are writing? Bash script we are writing now. Guys, in RHEL 7.0, it's not a mandatory. You need to mention into the another versions. 8.0 by default, it will support bash only, right? So we need to start the script with the help of SHA-BANG. We should provide the type of the script now. We are writing bash scripting now. Clear, guys? So now you can write any command now. Bash command. How many commands we discuss in our class? So you can write any command now from those all the commands. Okay. So now I am writing echo. So as usually, hello world. Hello. So hello world. Clear, guys? Echo space hello world. Right? Now echo command, what it will do? It will print the string value and as well as variable value. It will echoing the value, right? So echo command. So like in C language, we'll have the printf, and in coming to Java, we'll have the system.out.println. Like the same way, we'll have echo command here. Clear, guys? So now I'm trying to providing date command. You can write anything, guys, right? So now save and quit. save and quit, right? So clear guys, save and quit. Then we need to execute the script. So how to execute the script? So if you want, you can write bash and script name, or otherwise / file name also you can give. What happened guys? We are getting one error called permission denied. Why you are getting this permission denied error? So why you are getting permission? Very good. Okay. We doesn't have the executable permission. The script file is an executable file, right? The script file is an executable file. So if you doesn't have the executable permission, how you can able to execute the file? So let's see here, check the permissions. So myfile.sh, clear guys. So let's see here, myfile.sh. So by default, you know very well, file doesn't have the executable permission, right? Already we discussed long back while we were discussing about permissions at the time. So we need to assign the executable permission to this particular file because it's an executable file. So without executable permission, we are unable to execute, right? So chmod, so +X means we are trying to assigning the executable permission for everyone. It may be user, it may be group, it may be other users. Okay. Now let's see here, myfile.sh. Got it? See guys, we got an executable permission for everyone. So user also having the executable permission, group, and then another users also having the executable permission. Clear guys? Okay. Now I'm trying to executing this file. So /myfile.sh, then hit enter. See. Hello world, and then date and time. I hope you got it guys. So how we need to write the script? Clear? You can write any command inside the script, you can execute. Clear guys? So can we do few scripting? So few programs will do now, okay? So I will share those all stuff guys, don't worry, okay? So let's see guys here. So now, so you know very well about echo command, right? Echo is a command to print the value. So guys, if you're having the hashtag in front of the echo command, then so in front of the value, then what will happen? See here, echo hashtag, not a comment. So if you're having the hashtag, what will happen? Huh? So it won't print anything. So where is that hashtag? Hashtag is a comment guys. Comment means you are writing one script. Okay. So maybe you are writing one script, you can able to understand what type of script you are writing. Maybe reminding people, your colleagues, maybe your manager, he's unable to understand. So what type of script it is. So we are going to make few comments there. I'm using for loop. So what is the use of this for loop? I'm going to make some comments. So and so for loop, it is going to execute like this command, this output like this. So easily understand the script concept, everybody. So if you're writing normal letters, normal lines, so it is going to consider as a one error. So just we need to comment that particular line. We should keep the hashtag in front of the line. You can able to add the comments in your script. Hashtag means it is not going to execute, right? So let's see here. I'll show you. VIM. So myfile.sh will have, right? I should not execute this date command. Okay. So what I need to do, I need to keep hashtag in front of the date. That means it got commented. Now it's not going to execute. Clear? So now save and quit. Now let's say, try to execute this. We'll get only hello world. I hope you got it guys. if you keep the hashtag in front of that particular line, the line it is not going to execute. The command it's not going to execute. Clear? Yes, no, right. So print this comments along with the hashtag. Then, so we should use reverse slash in front of the hashtag. So we'll have few hashtags we need to print in our output. Then you need to use this forward slash. Reverse slash, right? So let's see here. Got it, guys? Got it? Hashtag, not a comment, hashtag. Or otherwise, so if you want, you can keep those all the string value into the single quotes. If you keep those all the values into the single quotes, it will consider as a one text value. That means string. Got it, guys? So I hope you're clear. So double quotes means it will print the variable value. So let's say I'll show you. For example, so echo $home, guys. So it will print the variable value. $home, it will print the home directory of the current user. Now, if I'm keeping this $home into the single quotes, now it will consider this is a one string value. So it will print the $home. It is not going to print the variable value. Got it, guys? So I hope you're clear. Yes, no, right. And one more thing, guys, user defined variable. If you want, you can use small letters. If you want, you can use capital letters. It depends upon your requirement. So it's not like this. We need to use only capital letters. We need to use small letters. But we'll have the only one rule. We should not start the variable name with the help of numerical value. Clear, guys? The variable name, we should not start with the numerical value. That's it. That is a rule we need to follow. Apart from that, you can give any variable name. It's not a problem. Okay. So clear, guys? Yes, no, right. So we'll write one small script. So VIM first script dot sh, first script dot sh, right? So VIM first script dot sh, then hit enter. So first script dot sh is a file name, guys. Inside this file, as usually, I'm going to write shebang bin bash. Clear, guys? Shebang bin bash. I hope you're clear. Okay, bash script. Next here, see guys here, please concentrate. Echo, this is my first bash script. This line I am redirecting into output.txt file. So we are using here output redirectors. I hope you got it. Greater than is an output redirector, right? So already we discussed about redirectors like operators. So we need to use the redirector here. So now this output.txt file, where it will create. So we use the tilde, right? Tilde means current user home directory. So what is a current user? I'm executing the script file with the help of root user. The current user is a root user. The output.txt file, where it will create inside the root user's home directory called /root. I hope you got it, guys. Right? So now one file it will create. So inside the current user home directory, okay, the file name is output.txt. Inside this output.txt file will have this line. Got it? Next. So I'm using echo 2 colon. So 2 double colons. That means space. We are appending one space into the output.txt file. In between my file, this is my first bash script. In between hashtag will have one space. So those all the hashtags I'm trying to redirecting, I'm trying to appending into the output.txt file. So let's see here. I'm going to copy this. I'll paste into our script file, right? Clear, guys? Don't keep this space here, okay? Save and quit, right? So what we need to do? chmod plus x first script.sh. Now I'm trying to executing first script.sh. The first script.sh file, it got executed, right? So output.txt file, where it will create? Got it, guys? Automatically the output.txt file it will create. So if you check the content of the output.txt file, how to check the content of the output.txt file? Cat command. Cat. So output.txt. See, this is my first bash script, and we'll have the space and then hashtags. I hope you got it, guys. Yes, no, right. Next. So let's see here. Echo list block devices. This line I am appending into the existing file called output.txt file. Appending, right? So echo space. The space I'm trying to appending into the output.txt file. Guys, how to list out the block devices? How to list out the block devices, guys? Which command we need to use to list out the block device? So clearly here we'll have, right? lsblk. So this is a key command. If you execute the lsblk, right, you'll get the list all the block devices. How many partitions will have, how many groups will have, how many volume groups will have, how many LVMs will have, everything we can able to get. Right? This lsblk output, we are redirecting into the output.txt file. We are appending, we are using double greater than into the same file itself only we are redirecting. So we are appending. So lsblk output, it is going to copy into the output.txt file. And after that, space and again hashtags. So those space and hashtag for presentation purpose, that's it. Clear, guys? So usually we doesn't have any use for with the help of the space and then hashtags, just for presentation purpose. The key command is lsblk here. The lsblk command output we are redirecting into the output.txt file. Clear, guys? I hope you got it. Yes, no? Save and quit. Right? Then cat. Got it, guys? Space and lsblk command output. Clear? And then space hashtags. So like this, you can write anything. Okay. So let's see here. So now I hope you're clear, guys, about this. Okay. Next. So file system free space status. How to know the file system's free space status? So df-th, guys. So df-th is a command to know the mount point along with the free space, right? Along with the free space. We can able to find out the free space also, no? File system free space, right? So file system free space status. This line we are appending into the output.txt file. Then space, and this is a key command here. So df-h or capital TH also you can give, it's not a problem. If you're providing the capital TH, what will happen? It will provide you type also. File system type EXTR, XFS. Got it? Right. So guys, it's a very simple to write the script, to execute the scripts, but you need to concentrate and then you need to think little bit technically. Right? Save and quit. Then, so first script.sh, then check the, see, got it, guys? So you'll get the output. So file system free space status and df-h command output. Then hashtags. Clear? So like this, you can write any bash command into the bash scripting. Bash script file. Yes, no, right. Okay. So next, we'll see one more script. So backup script we'll see. Okay. Backup script. This is also very simple. So how to archive the file with the help of script. So you know very well about archiving, right? Okay. I will show you how to archive the files into the same mission. I'm providing the task to you people, how to archive the files into the another mission. I think you can write. You can write. You know very well. I'll give one hint also. You need to use rsync command. That is a hint. So I'm showing now how to archive how to take the backup. That means the archive file into the same mission itself only. So I'm giving the task to you peoples. So you need to show the code tomorrow. How we need to archive the files into the another mission through network. So one hint I'm providing for you. You should use rsync command. Rsync command you should use, right? So let's see here. Guys, please concentrate. So taking backup script. So Shebang bin bash. The purpose, backup of important data, right? Date is a variable, guys. So date is a variable. You can write any name, guys. It's not like this. We need to provide date. According to your requirement, you can write any name, variable name. But here we are accessing the date command. Because of that reason, I'm providing the variable name called date. So this date variable, it having this value. What is that? What is that, guys? Date command. So guys, if you execute the date command, it will print all the date and time, right? But my intention is I need a date, month, year. Indian format, right? Date, month, year. So because of that reason, we are using this date command. Okay. So if you execute this date command, it will print the date like this. 24, today date, -Feb, -2022. Got it, guys? So date, you know very well about all the options, guys. Already we discussed long back, right? B means it will print the month. So D means it will print the date. And Y means it will print the year. That's it, no? So we are using all the options at a time with the date command. This command, what type of output it is executing for us, the same output it is going to read from the date command. Now, if you execute the date variable, you will get that output now. I hope you got it. So what is the use of variables? We are going to call so dynamically we are going to call the like values with the help of variables in our script. Not only in our script, if you want, you can write the program without variable. Can we able to write the programs, guys? We can able to write small program. We can able to write. You need to write the like little bit large programs in the sense. So we should mention the few variables and then it should have the few values. So frequently we are going to call those all the values into our script. I hope you're clear, right? Okay. Next, SRC directory. SRC directory means source directory, guys. You can write anything. So I have given SRC directory here, source directory, to whom we need to archive. Right. So you are very well familiar with the etc. Now we'll use our common directory called etc because we doesn't have the var www.html in our operating system. So var www.html is a home directory for Apache web server. So we doesn't have any web server. So because of that reason, I'm going to use etc only instead of var www.html. Now SRC directory having etc value, etc directory, it contains SRC directory, DES directory, destination directory, where I need to create the archive file. I hope you got it, guys. If you want to can create into the same machine, so here you need to mention. So tomorrow I have given the like you need to write one task. So you need to take the backup into the another mission through network. So you know very well about rsync command. So use the rsync command, write the script. Clear? So now DES directory, destination directory. So I'm trying to providing, I will create one directory called backup. Then I'm going to create all the backup files into the backup directory. I'm going to archive all the backup files into the backup directory. So file name. So file name, guys. So file name, here we are providing HTML. You can give any name. File 1, file 2 or a file. Any name you can give. Otherwise, backup, whatever if you want to can give. So guys, if you observe, we are calling this variable in this variable, right? That means file hyphen, you will get the date and time. You will get the date and time and then .rzz. .rzz means what type of archive, what type of option we should use? ZZ file. Gzip, small z we should use, right? So now tar hyphen c pzf. So this is a key command, right? To take the backup. So tar hyphen c pzf. P means preservative permissions. Preservative P means. That means what type of permissions will have for destination, source file, the same permissions it will be applied if you extract. P means you can say permissions. Clear, guys? Apart from that, we doesn't have any difference. C, Z, F. C, Z, small z and F. F means file name. C means creating the archive. P, permission. Okay. Z, gzip. F, file name. So syntax. First of all, we need to provide the destination file. The destination file where we need to create inside the destination directory. So here I'm not providing the directory name directly. I'm trying to providing the directory variable name here. DES directory. Inside the DES directory, /, right? So we are trying to creating the one file called file dot so and so date dot tar dot zz. To whom? Source directory. Source directory is a etc. I hope you're clear, guys. Yes, no? Clear? Right. So now we'll write. So VIM. So VIM, you can give me any name, guys. Data backup.sh. I'll do one thing. I'll copy this. I'll copy and I'm going to paste over there. Clear? Now I'll change according to our requirement, those all stuff. So remove this, keep etc. So we are trying to taking the backup for etc, guys. Okay. And then directory name. Inside the root, I'm trying to creating one directory called dbackup. Right? So dbackup. Right? Next, I'll do one thing. I'll keep file is a file name. Right? Yes, no. Save and quit. No need to change anything now. That is enough. Okay. File. Save and quit. Then we need to create one directory according to that script, right? So D backup directory. So let's verify. We'll have the D backup directory. Now chmod plus X. Then, so what is the file name? Data backup now. That's it now, guys. Right? It's creating C, archiving. So it will take few minutes. Yes. Now CD dbackup. Got it. So with the help of this date, easily you can able to identify the backup file. So and so date backup this is. So if you execute this command tomorrow, you will get the tomorrow date. Day after tomorrow date. So easily we can able to find out the file with the help of that particular name, right? So ye so and so date ka backup hai file. So then you can extract, you can see. Clear, guys? Yes, no. So like this, you can create the backup. Next. So clear basic scripting and then backup script file. Okay, backup script and everything, right? Now we'll see for loop, guys. So without knowing the for loop, you are unable to create the multiple user. You are unable to take the database backup. I'll show you how we need to take the database backup also. As an administrator, like the scripts, we need to write into the real-time environment. Clear, guys? Yes. As an administrator, we need to create the multiple users at a time. So we should write the script. As an administrator, we need to take the database backup. We need to write the script. We are going to keep the script into the automation. Daily, every day it is going to execute. Automatically, you will get the backup. So no work. Simply we are going to set. We are going to manage the log files. That's it. I hope you got it. Like this administrator, he's going to reduce the work. Clear? కొంచెం గట్టి మాట్లాడి వినిపించట్లేదు. అర్థం కాల ఏది దొరుకుద్ది. See, simple, guys. So it's not like, actually, if you're having the programming, if you're having the little bit programming knowledge, you can able to write your own scripts. Otherwise, so I'm not saying you need to learn the entire program. So core Java level knowledge and C level knowledge is enough. Basic C knowledge is also enough, right? If you doesn't have the knowledge, go to the Google, search according to your requirement, then you will get the code. So with the help of according to your requirement, you can modify the code, then you can execute. Right? See, usually Ansible and then those people, what they are going to do, they doesn't know about JSON script. They doesn't know about Python scripts. So what we are going to do, we need to search the cookbooks from the internet itself only. We'll get the cookbooks. With the help of those cookbooks, we are going to modify and then we are going to deploy. That's it. Thoda knowledge rahe to kafi hai. So it's not like this, you need to learn entire programming knowledge. But if you having the knowledge in Python, that is good for you. And JSON scripts. Sir, can we run multiple scripts with a script? Yeah, you can run, guys. We can able to call the another file inside the script. It's possible. I'll show you, don't worry, okay? So clear. Syntaxes. Actually, we are discussing about basic bash scripting, guys, not advanced scripting, okay? Right? So, but it's very useful for you. You will get one idea. Okay, we need to write the script like this. So, okay, so these types of scripts will have, as an administrator, we need to run like the scripts in a real-time environment. So, like this idea, I'm trying to providing to you. Scripting मतलब बहुत सारा है. So, एक दो दिन में खत्म नहीं होता हो, right? Okay. So, let's see here, for loop. So, as an administrator, maximum people, they're not going to concentrate on that much of like in-depth scripting concept, but few people they're doing, right? So simple, guys. If you're having the good programming knowledge, according to your requirement, you can write any script. So इसको programming knowledge जरूरी है. Otherwise, so search engine will have the Google. In real time, always we are going to take the help from Google itself only. No one they are going to help us. Okay? Even developers also. Developer, they will do copy paste. Who is going to write the very lengthy script from scratch, guys? You need to write the 400 lines, 500 line script. Are you going to write the script like 500, 400 line script? Huh? We'll have already like few cookbooks and then we are going to use those and then, so smart work. Got it? That's it. Okay. So let's see here. So for loop. So we'll see few syntaxes related to for loop. Guys, I'm not teaching all the for loop syntax, few syntaxes. So what type of syntax we are going to use? So frequently those syntaxes I'm trying to teaching to you people, right? So now we are creating one command, one file called for.sh. So now I value is 1, guys. I is a variable. The I value is 1. Okay. So I value is 1. Static value for the list after in key. So in key, right? Keyword. So for is a loop and day is a for loop variable, guys. Day is a variable for loop. Okay. So day is a variable for. Okay. In is a keyword. In is a keyword. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. That means Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Friday, like this will have. So those all the values, so it's available inside the day variable. If you call the day variable with the help of echo command, those all the values it will print now. Mon, tu, MONTU, okay, TUE, WD, so THU, FRI like this. Okay, right. So do, we are trying to providing one command according to our requirement. We are going to perform a task. Right? So echo is a command. It will print the value of variable, right? So now I'm writing for presentation purpose weekday dollar I plus plus means incremental. I plus plus means 1 plus plus how much? 2. 2 plus plus 3, 4, 5. Like this, how many numerical values will get? Monday 1, Tuesday 2, right? And then Wednesday, and then Thursday and Friday. Yeah. So like Vaibhav is saying, post incremental stuff, right? Okay. So now dollar day. So day is a variable we are calling here. So day is a variable. Now we are calling into the echo. So now day, what it will print? Days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday. Now weekday 1, Monday, weekday 2, Tuesday, weekday 3, Wednesday, weekday 4, Thursday, 5, Friday, like this will print. I hope you got it, guys. So let's see here. So clear, guys? So weekday 1, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Next. So if you're keeping commas, it will print commas. That's simple, okay? So if you're separated with comma, clear? Next. Guys, if you keep those all the values into the double quote, then it will consider as a total one value. So it will print into the same line. It is not going to print in the individual lines, right? So for loop तो आपको पता ही रहता, right? So got it. So if you want, you can make the variables also, guys. Here I'm trying to making one variable call weekdays. Okay, so weekdays is equal to weekday is equal to right. This weekday variable I'm going to call here. So that means I'm not providing the values directly. Got it, guys? Same output you'll get. So that instead of providing the values in for loop directly, so we are calling the variable there and the variable values. How many variables will have? See here, 3 variables, I, then weekdays and day. Clear? If we keep double quotes here, So I hope you got it, guys. Right. So next, same. So we are not providing any value, guys. Okay. Then what will happen? What will happen? Nothing. So it will take the values from terminal. Next, guys, please concentrate here. AWK command he is using now. Okay. So this is a logic we are going to use to create the multiple users. What we have the logic in this for loop, the same logic we are going to use to create the multiple users, right? So please concentrate here. Guys, I is equal to 1. So for, and this is a variable name, username is a variable name in AWK command. So AWK awk command. Awk command, what it will do in the sense, it will scan the files, it will split the file content. Don't worry, tomorrow I will teach you about AWK. Okay, I'll teach you about AWK few syntaxes, how we need to use the AWK command, right? Okay, so now this AWK command, what it will do in the sense, print $1 will have now. So print $1 means from etc password file, it is going to consider the first field. In etc password, how many fields will have? How many fields will have in etc password, guys? 7 fields. Username, password, UID, GID, comments, home directory, shell. Right? So we'll have 7 fields. Usually if you're using cat command, if you're using list command, all the 7 fields will print. But my intention is, I need to filter only 1 field from 7 fields, that to first field, username field. So this is a command we should use, AWK. So -f file and then print $1 means it will consider the first field from the etc password file. That is a logic here. So this command, guys, remember how we need to call the commands into the variable in the sense. You can use this word symbol, guys. That is actually, I forgot the name. So you'll have the tilde, right? In tilde, you'll have the hashtag or what? So some name will have na hashtag symbol. Huh? Not star, guys. So in tilde, you will have the one more symbol. It will be looking like single quotes. Hashtag kedo under kada very much pinano. Okay. So otherwise, you need to call the colon. So it's not a colon, guys. In escape key, so you'll have the escape key, na? So below escape key will have the tilde. So in tilde itself only you will have one symbol. You need to use that symbol. This command value it is going to store into the username variable. Okay. Or otherwise, instead of this, can we able to edit this? I am unable to edit this. Let's see. Yeah, I can zoom in. Backstick set. Yes, it's not a hack stick. Backstick. Back. Yes. Good. Vinith. Where is that? This is a symbol. Okay. If you try to calling the command value in variable, so you should use those symbols, right? We need to keep the command into between those symbols, right? Okay. So now etc password, first field, username it's reading. Okay. Next, do echo username dollar I plus plus post incremental script, right? So 1, 2, 3 like this in print. Okay. Now we are calling the username variable from for loop, from for. So username 1, so and so username root. Username 2, so and so username. Username 3, how many users will have in etc password, everything will print. Got it, guys? So same logic we are going to use to create the multiple users. Got it, guys? Username 1, 2, 3. Then I need to navigate. So clear. Less command I'm using. So I can able to navigate. The first user, username 1 root, 2 bin. Got it, guys? So clear. Next. See, guys. So I1 is I is equal to 1. CD tilde. CD tilde, what it will do? CD tilde, what it will do, guys? So we are going to switch to the home directory of the current user. We are going to switch to the home directory from anywhere. Okay. For item is a variable name. Item is a variable name. In star, wildcard characters. Wildcard character. Star, what it will do? It is going to consider everything from your home directory. All the files and directories it will print. Do echo item I plus plus. Item ane word print outadi. So item is a word it will print, and then item 1 file name, item 2 file name. From where we'll get those all the file names? From your home directory, like ls-l command, guys. So what type of output you are going to get from ls-l? It will list out the directory content, right? So like the same way here also. Okay. Plus x then for 3, right? Item 1 anaconda -ks. Item 2 data -backup. Got it, guys? Right. So you know very well about this, right? while we are discussing about ls command, I have given the syntax A, B, C, D. Starting letter A file, starting letter B file, starting letter C file, and starting letter D file. That to .conf you should have the extension from etc. Right? So if you execute this command, what will happen? Let's see. Okay. So now I'm trying to writing the script to get like this output. Okay. Got it. I1 is equal to 1. I is equal to 1 for variable name is file in etc abcd dot conf. That means starting letter A file, starting letter B file, starting letter C file, and starting letter D file. It should have the .conf extension. So do echo file 1. So maybe starting letter A file, it will print. File 2, starting letter B file, it will print. Got it. File 1, etc asound.conf. B letter, C letter, C, D letter, and D letter. Clear, guys? Good. Next. So break. So let's see, guys, here. Actually, we are going to use if here to break the content. Okay, so to break. See, guys, I is equal to 1 for day in Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, right? And then weekday I plus plus and then days. So if I is equal to 3, I value 3 ochindanakondi. If the I is equal to 3, so we need to start the output. So here break. Then we'll get output. How we'll get the output? Weekday 1, Monday, weekday 2, Tuesday, weekday 3, Wednesday, then it will stop. It is not going to print the like remaining values. So I need to show or what? Doesn't need, no? Right. So I'll share those documents. Don't worry. Okay. So same like here. So continue and break. So if you want to can continue and then if you want to can so break the output. See, I value is equal to 7. Then I value is equal to 8. So then, so what it will do? You will get like this output from Monday to Saturday. Okay. So Monday to not Saturday, Monday to Sunday, total 7 days it will print. So you know very well about this C style syntax. I is equal to 1. So I greater than is equal to 5, I plus plus. In C language, usually we are going to use like the syntax, right? For loop. Okay. So less than is equal to, I think less than is equal to 5. That means how we'll get the output. So we are printing the random values, guys. Okay. Random number 1 value will get. Random number 2, random number 3, random number 4. Like this, still 5, like 1 to 5 values will get. So I'll show you. So $random is a predefined variable. I hope you are getting right. So what we are trying to discussing, scripting. So plus for 5.sh, then for 5.sh. Got it, guys? Random numbers will get. C infinity bash for loop. Okay. Next, C style syntax. I is equal to 1, j is equal to 10, I greater than is equal to 5, I plus plus, j is equal to j plus 5. That means number one, $j means j value. So j value how much? 10 plus 5. The number 1, 10. So number 2, 15. Number 3, 20. Number 3, 20. Number 4, 25. So it is going to add the 5 values. Simple guys. I is equal to 1. So j is equal to 10. The j value is 10. I less than is equal to 5. That means we'll get the 5 values 1 to 5. Now I plus plus. So j is equal to j plus 5. That means j value plus 5. Number 1, 10. Number 2, 15. Number 3, 20. 4, 25. 5, 30 like this. Right guys? So 1 to 10. It will print 1 to 10. You know this regular expression, right? So 1 dot dot 10 dot dot 2. That means we are going to skip the second value. 1. Then 2 it won't print. 3 will get. Then it will skip 4 value. Then 5 will get. Then 6 value it will skip. 7 will get. Second value it is going to skip, right? Odd numbers. Whatever if you odd numbers means it will print, it will skip the second value. For example, I'm starting from 1. So it will skip the second. If I'm starting from 0, then it will skip 1. So this is all about for loop guys. For loop few syntaxes usually we are going to use. Okay. So tomorrow I will show you how to create the multiple users and how we need to take the database backup script both, and if condition, if statement, and while loop few syntaxes we'll see. Guys, I'm providing for you people's set command examples. We'll have the number of the examples related to set. I'm providing for you people this document. You can do your own. You know how to execute the set command. So you'll have the syntax, example, description. So it's not a big deal to execute set commands, right? You can do your own set command. I'm providing for you people for complimentary because it's a very useful in real time. AWK I will teach you tomorrow. Maximum you're going to wind up the session, hopefully. So tomorrow maximum or last class will have. That's it. From day after tomorrow onwards. So there is no Linux basic Linux 6 p.m. batch maximum. Okay. Right guys. See you tomorrow. Bye. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe.